grandparents' breakfast.
It's like a blanket on my face. Oh my god. You need to do something. It's causing a landslide all over my face. Welcome back to the laziest DIY channel.
Just call us easy and lazy.
Aww.
Or lazy and easy.
Yes.
I wasn't calling you lazy, by the way.
No, you were calling me easy.
Yeah.
If you want to kind of sort of make positive changes to your life, but only if it's convenient and cheap, then this is the video for you.
The big one for you.
Come with us, if you will.
Come with us.
On this journey of skincare.
I feel like you looked at my pores and you went, he needs it. He needs it.
No, that is so not the reason why. We're doing this because look at me. Look at my face.
It's gorgeous. What's wrong with your face?
Are you kidding me? This is clearly the face of somebody who's in desperate need of face treatment.
Your face always looks amazing. And then whenever you want to do something to it, because you're like, I feel like I need a little self-care. And then it just gets red. And you're just like, you get a rash from honey or whatever.
Yeah, it does do that. I don't usually do any kind of skincare regime for my face, but I do have a few videos planned for this channel that will be requiring copious amounts of makeup and other substances applied to my face. I'm gonna have a lot of apologizing to do to my skin by the end of it, so I want to get that practice in right now with easy DIY face masks.
To counteract the early aging that makeup causes.
Yes.
If you need an expensive makeup, I'll get it for you.
No.
So you can end up going, this is what you need to do.
No.
And you won't go.
Swell up because I'm allergic to some makeup.
Yeah.
No, I enjoy the vicious cycle of doing fun makeup videos and then trying to do some self-care videos to counteract the effects of those makeup videos and just go in circles.
Okay, but I'm going to tell you, no liquid eyeliner.
Oh,
Yeah, no
he
liquid
thinks he's
eyeliner.
going to tell me what to wear.
I'm going to tell you what to wear. I'm not going to put up with you go, I don't know why I'm swelling up again. Honey, every time I use liquid eyeliner, I can't see it, I can't breathe. You were like, I don't know why. It's just like every time I use this, I just feel really garbage.
Good thing I had my boyfriend wearing makeup with me so that I could ask you, how do you feel after using this? So let's get to it.
We're gonna put breakfast on our face. We're gonna have breakfast facial.
Yep, oatmeal face mask, 2 ingredient, it's just oatmeal and water. You're supposed to ground the oats first. I have done nothing to prepare for this vlog.
I guess that's on me. I'll blend these oats.
Yep, I'm ready for my facial. Teamwork makes the dream work. I got the camera. This angle is so not doing it for me. I look so bad. What's happening to me? I'm just trying to relax. Oh, we got it!
We got oatmeal.
That took no time.
Yeah.
I love this one.
Yeah, it just smells like old people food.
All right, are you ready for a relaxing oat mask?
Yes.
You ready?
Yes.
I don't know, I feel like it's supposed to be more pasty. This seems like it's a little bit too chunky.
Only a little bit more. Otherwise, it's gonna be just this thin, sandy, gross mud. I said little bit.
Can you do a more appealing angle?
Put the breakfast on my face.
Okay.
Oh my god. That felt so thick.
Yeah, it is pretty thick.
Is that supposed to be relaxing?
Yes.
Oh my god. That feels so gross. I feel like I'm on Nickelodeon in the 90s. Get the baby vomit on my face.
You good?
No.
Relax and close it. Close everything. Close your eyes. God damn it. Oh no, stop it. Close your eyes. Close your eyes. Relax.
I'm gonna tell you the same fucking thing whenever you feel this smearing of cat vomit on your face.
You need to relax your face.
It's so relaxing. just smells like old people food. It smells like my grandparents' breakfast. I look like a bowl of cereal. Yeah, I just want brown sugar on it. At least it'll make it smell better.
Are you relaxed? Do you need more?
He's no more.
Do you need some more?
Oh, no.
I'm gonna try to spread it out a little bit more. It doesn't spread very easily.
You missed this whole area.
Splat.
Oh. Make sure I don't get crow's feet.
Oh yeah, I'm not even sure what this is supposed to do to help you, so let me look that up. It just said smear oats on your face, and I said okay. So, let's see, why are we doing this?
Get one of those cooking torches and toast it off my face. The smell of burning hair and oats.
What are the benefits to oatmeal face masks? Hydration, exfoliation, anti-inflammatory, soothing, UV protection, collagen production, skin complexion, non-irritating.
I say it's pretty irritating. It looks extra gross, the fact that I'm only kind of able to see it. Ew.
No, you want to leave it on for about 20 minutes or until it's hardened. Stop making faces!
You missed a spot on my nose, too.
Oh, just pushing it on there.
It doesn't push.
No, it doesn't. Okay. Quit asking me to make this better. It just doesn't get better. It's like the texture of, like, if you had, you finished a bowl of oatmeal and you just left it on the counter for a few hours. It's just like this kind of congealed, squishy substance.
Are you gonna finish it? I'm your bowl of oatmeal. Will you finish me? No.
What's the best way to get this off?
Should
I just lick it?
Yeah.
Rinse, mix with warm water and a cool water rinse after.
Never mind the drains.
Right? It's like it's saying
Just stomp it down.
just like with the hair, it works every time.
It works every time.
Half the time, works every time.
It feels like one of the times I've had to clean up after a pet.
It's so gross.
Going, I don't want to get that till it's dry. Some of it actually touched my tongue.
It is edible.
Not with all this face in it.
It's not coming out.
It just smears more.
Oh my god, it does. I never had to clean up after a dog or a cat, so I don't know how to do it.
There's the abrasive. There's the exfoliation. I am going to rinse off my face, and then you are going to get all of this kind of treatment.
Here's his big reveal.
I washed off and I put oil on my face, and now I look all young and shit.
I think it looks pretty dang good.
I'm a beauty queen.
You are.
Are you ready?
I'm ready. I took off my nice, cute yarn sweater so I could put on my oatmeal and food eating sweater.
I am... That's mine!
That's mine! What's yours is
I'm
mine!
gonna add a little bit of water to this. This is a little dried out.
I'm ready to relax. Please be kind. Don't be vengeful. I was trying to be sweet. Why do your eyes look so hungry for justice? I did nothing wrong!
Honey!
That slap!
It's not coming off.
I think it feels good.
You think that feels good?
I think that feels so good. It's like a blanket on my face. Oh my god! It's not coming off!
Oh!
Your sweatshirt!
Yeah. The moment it gets filthy, yours!
You need to clean your sweatshirt. Honey!
I'm trying.
It's so messy.
Right inside the hood again.
Damn it, honey. Oh. Oh god, I got it in my eye, honey.
Oh, baby.
Do something.
You did that.
Do something. Oh no.
It just sticks to my finger.
Oh no, it's falling off my face. Honey,
Stop talking.
you need to do something. It's causing a landslide all over my face. Stop adding more. Oh my god. right now.
Fix what?
It's gonna, you need to smooth it out.
How?
With your hand.
It sticks to my, okay, I'm putting water on my hands just in case. Don't laugh. Don't move your face.
I'm plotting my revenge. You got it in my eyes. You got it on my lips. You got it up my nose.
Yeah, it's not easy because your skin is so slick.
Oh, it's in my ear. Now this isn't my good side. Now all of it's my good side.
Why are you annoyed?
You made my hand messy. And you almost smothered me with oats. You know, I wrote about this face mask for quite a few years now, and I was like, I don't think I want to do that. That doesn't sound enjoyable. I was right.
You just look like we could Photoshop a bowl around your face. Would you like some relaxing frozen fruit on your eyes?
That was very chaotic. That was like a solid 5 minutes of pure chaos. It was like falling off, and you kept adding more while there's like landslides here, landslides there, a million dead, and you just keep smothering
A million dead.
It's like my face has padding. It's so weird. It's gonna get my mouth.
Just talk through your teeth.
Thank you for doing this with me.
You're welcome, baby.
Who'd have thought? Now when somebody asks us, wow, your skin looks so good, what's your routine? We're just gonna say, leftover breakfast.
Breakfast!
Anything we don't eat, we just put it on our face.
Yes.
I feel like I can shake it off. Oh my god.
Don't shake it off.
I can feel all the extra weight on me.
You want to wait till we hear the loud people outside and you just shake it off the patio. Get it down out there. Just
scoop it off and throw it at them. Can you imagine someone calling the cops on me for assault with oatmeal?
You just say, yes, I do add salt to my oatmeal.
They come in here, I'm still wearing this mask. Oatmeal. What oatmeal? What are you talking about?
Clear, like, finger smears where you grabbed, still there.
They threw some on me too. And they went that way.
Watch out, they're gonna eat the evidence.
A true lady or gentleman can take any experience in grandest stride, and that's what I'm doing right now.
Such a true gentleman.
Oh!
There you go. It doesn't. That's fine. This area was open.
It's like a reflection of my emotional state. I'm just falling apart.
How could this happen to me? I ate my oatmeal.
Is it jiggling or is it just me jiggling?
I am going to flip my shit if you knock off more.
I need to do this though. It eases the itch though when I go a little shake.
No!
It eases the itchy feel. I didn't record that part. My guy, after he washed off, he was like, do I need to put oil on now? Yes, you do. I'm so proud of you for thinking about that.
I learned it from you.
Taking care of your skin.
I'm a beauty boy.
Is that laughs of jealousy I hear? I'm not used to you laughing at me.
You have such a beautiful oatmeal smile.
Thank you.
You kind of look like after someone hit you in the face with a pie.
Aw.
Yeah.
Kind of feel like it too. Is it oatmeal cream pie? Because if it is, I'll just relax and let it sit for 20 minutes. I'm making lemonade out of lemons.
Here, I'll hold this, and you just put it in there and shake like a dog.
Do I not get a napkin? I don't want to take it off. I like it on my face. It feels about 5 times better than it looks. So I think this is definitely one that I want to do again.
Okay.
By myself. I don't want you ever doing it for me again. That was one of the most violent experiences of my life, and I've been punched in the face twice.
Man, it does no.
My fucking hair! Oh no, I'm missing.
Okay.
Oh, if I use my fingers. Ugh.
Yeah, it really doesn't want to come off your forehead.
No, it doesn't. Now it has that bad vomit look. Oh dear.
Oh my god.
That's as good as it's gonna get. I'll be right back.
Soft as a butt. A baby's butt.
I think that my skin looked better before doing this. I feel like it kind of burns a little bit. Did yours burn afterwards?
Right here.
But I enjoyed doing it. 10 out of 10, I would do oatmeal breakfast face mask again.
I could just go.
Yep.
And then just start eating the rest of the bowl. Well,
please do that when our family comes to visit. When your mom comes to visit.
Yes. Just. Just be like, is something wrong with him? she looks aside. You've already done it too.
That's what you have in store when you visit us, Logan's mom.